Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and unpack the plasticine from the action. See the DevCon kind of bled out and bled up the feed way for the cartridges, just ever so slightly, and I think that's why I was struggling to get it out, but it broke off okay. So there you go, I have unpicked my action from all the plasticine. Not one bit of that DevCon stuck to my action in any way. There was a little bit where it had bled out, but that it scraped off real easy, and the shoe polish worked an absolute treat. The only reason I had a little bit of trouble getting the action out and needed to tap it out with a hammer was I think I filled this area too full of the modelling clay, and when I clamped it down, the squeeze out this way had nowhere to go, so it kind of went round and kind of caught on the feed ramp here. And so if you're going to do it, leave an area in here for the squeeze out to go. You know, don't pack that too full of plasticine. But apart from that, not a problem. I did not glue my action into my rifle, and I'm so happy about it. There's still a few wee bits of plasticine to pick off, but that's it basically unpicked. So now to the stock. Okay, so I'm going to start removing all this tape. My little inserts worked an absolute treat. They worked fantastically. Well, there it is, guys. I spent a little bit of time filing and cutting away the squeeze out. A lot of it just sort of snaps off quite easily. There's a few bits like here and a little bit in here where the bedding's kind of snapped off and doesn't look terribly neat, but I don't think it's going to affect performance in any way. And if I slip my action in, that is an extremely snug fit, and that's the way it should be. It worked amazingly. No real problems. So of course now the proof is in the pudding, and I've got to fire this rifle, shoot a group and show it to you and see how the bedding worked. But it's worked beautifully so far. Okay guys, so I've got the rifle reassembled, and it's looking good. If I take a tenner, you can see here that it slides all the way up to where the bedding is, and the action is really snug and tight in the stock, and I'm looking forward to trying out this rifle and seeing if it's made any difference. I'll put the camera on the target. I've bore sighted the scope, so I'm just going to fire 3 rounds as accurately as I can at the bull, and the group that you see is the group that I'm going to see is going to be the first grouping shot with the new bedding, and we'll see what sort of improvement the bedding has made. Righto guys, this is the first time I'm going to shoot my rifle since I bedded it. I'm using 168 grain Federal gold medal match, and the range is 100 meters. It's a bit blustery today, but I'm quietly confident, so let's see what we can do. You beauty! Ah, superb!